ATM, that means that in ATM network
This call is
switching,
now being recorded.
node switch ATM. Okay. ATM cells are transported from incoming logical channels VP or VC in one or more by multicasting outgoing logical channels, different types of channels, and receiving the server and sending the message. This is the client. The establishment of logical channels is controlled by network management operations, specify VP interconnections or directly by user or network. Signaling specify VC interconnections. A logical channel is identified by the number of physical links. The identity of the channels VCI or VCI, the physical. This is the ATM switch diagram. First point, input 1, stage 1, and second one is the input stage 2 and input stage n. Please observe the diagram, cross connecting switching connection and output stage 1, output stage 2 and output stage m. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏటీఎం మిషన్స్కి వెళ్ళి ఒక క్లయింట్ పర్సన్ ప్రాసెస్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటి, స్టేజ్ 1 అండ్ స్టేజ్ 2 అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్స్ సెలెక్టెడ్. Server point of view and incoming links carrying cells. Please observe the diagram. ATM switch. Identification of the yellow lines and identification of the red mark. First stage 1, output stage 2, and output input stage 2, and receiving the client output stage M. This is the ATM switch, and M means outgoing links carrying cells. Synchronously working in 3 cycles. Fetching cells in some, all of the input lines. Recorded the cells in cross-connecting switch and transmit the cells on appropriate output files. The ATM machines kelli card insert chesinappudu first will check the ATM identification number and the account number. Second one is verify the secret key, and a 4-digit secret key is the ATM process. Further, show the number of options and account to account options. Account options for for 150 MBs per second VC and 53 byte cells. ATM switching rules. First rule, reduce cell loss rate, normally 10⁻⁻12 but not 0. And FIFO, discipline of cells services for each VC virtual circuit. VC means virtual circuits. Input 2 more cells. For the some output are stored in the line in their input stages. Only one of them is transmitted to the output. In random, round robin or other selections, head of line blocking affects the newly arrived cells in the next cycle. Wait because of the rules, although their output is free. Is the input carrying 2 or more cells computing for the some output are stored. There's alternatives, output querying, conflicting cells are stored in the output stages, no possibility for the blocking, less delay for the cells. Similar circuit is implementations and alternatives flow. This is the ATM rules must and should. First ATM switch about applies crossbar switching and output buffering. Buffering means output issues. Allows multiple input cells to reach the some output stage. Output buffering is needed, allows multi-board casting, and input cells can reach multiple or all of the output stages. To observe the allows multiple input cells to reach the same output stages. Output buffering is needed. Allows multiple broadcasting, and input cells can be reached multiple or all of the output stages. The number of output buffers stages in the incoming lines number. If the number of collisions for the output in Ci greater than n, then Ci minus n cells are desired knocked out by special devices connector cost performance optimization of n. Collision means number of networks is identification of the network. Next one is ATM switches. Oh, sorry. ATM switches. An East Indian factory applies multi-stage synchronized switching in order to reduce switching elements number for crossbars in n square. 2.2 switching elements typically. The number of stages S is equal to in this formula S is equal to 1b slash v, and the number of elements per stage E is equal to n greater than by 2. The number of switching elements S is equal to SC is equal to 2 power minus 1 and IBN. Inter-stage communication patterns is such that there exists only one path from IM to OK. At each stage, the switching elements examine the consecutive bits for the destination address for stage, write most bits possible collisions on the outputs of the switching elements. Switching elements. At each stage of switching elements, examine the consecutive bits of the destination address. First stage of write most of bits extra possible collisions on the output of the switching elements. Collisions are input order independent, recording the cell segregation to the output pattern, solve the collisions. ATM switching one is the next ATM switching Batcher Bunyan. Collision free extension of Bunyan switching for the price of additional stage, hardware and delay. A proceedings which are recorded the cells of the input flow in their sorted order by the output indexes. Applies multiple synchronized switching. Each switching elements compared to the whole destinations. Field two input cells and switch them according to the stage pattern arrow marks that resemble the bubble sort. Okay, input cells in capital and inputs put in the first K outputs in the sorted order. The interface between the Batcher and the Bunyan switches is please upload the diagrams. Customer office, ISDN, Internet Service Digital Network. ISDN means terminal. ISDN telephone connectivity, and ISDN terminals, and ISDN alarm. Customers equipment. Next, left side is updated. Carries office. Digital bit pipe NT1, and ISDN means Internet Service Digital Networks. Exchange carrying equipment. Two carries internet networks. This is the diagram. Next diagram is customer office and carrying office. First two diagrams S TE1 ISDN terminal, TE1 ISDN telephones, non-ISDN terminals, and LAN gateways. NT2 ISDN PBX box connectivity. Next to left right side is updated carrying office and NT1 and ISDN exchange and ISDN network. Two carriers internal networks. Gateways identify customer equipments and LAN gateway local area networks and you can identify the class network and class A, class B, class C. This is the identify the networks. Please 1 minute check it. Okay, next diagram and basic rate and primary rate. Diagrams. This is the cells are switched. Cells come in and cells go out the diagram. Next, cell destination line 1, start of cycle number 1, cycle number 2, cycle number 3, cycle number 4. These are all diagrams. Cell destination for line. Is up to the 4 diagrams. Number A and number B, number C, number D. 2021 and 023 and 012, 023, 0. Next, start cycle number 1, start cycle number 2, start cycle number 3. These are 3 diagrams. And network broadcast buses, input lines and constructor lines. Shifter, output phase, output lines. These are 7 layers. And stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, rotors on the high order bits and rotors on the middle bit, rotors on the low order bit. Please observe the lines and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and opposite connectivity lines. Right side diagram and please identify the 1 and 6. So all diagrams. Okay. These the ATM's diagrams all. Next to okay, this is the not explanation of the people, right? ATM transmissions. Synchronized transmissions, no ordering among the cells, no specified period between consecutive cells of your transmissions. Transmissions and possibly for blank space between data cells, filling of service cells. Transmission media is fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable is we can manufacture the glass material. Okay, let's say 1 minute. Possibly for blank space between data cells and filling the service cells. Transmission media is a fiber optic, therefore point-to-point network topology, two parallel unidirectional links between any 2 points in full duplex transmissions. Each connectivity point-to-point network topology, two parallel unidirectional clicks between any 2 points in full duplex transmissions. Each connected into point-to-point check చేసుకుంటూ transfer the data in the transmission medium. Each network point is either user devices or network switch. Either network point is either user device or network switches. Multicasting is done by propagation of cells in the switches, one cell to multiple outputs. Standardized basic rate 155 and 52 Mbps per second, and extended rates 622.8 Mbps in seconds 4 times. This is the range of the standard basic rate. In layer model, the ATM physical layer consists of physical media dependent PMD. PMD means physical media dependent. Sublayer specifies bit stream parameters for different media fiber twisted pairs. Physical media dependent sublayers and specify bits stream parameters for different media fiber and twisted pairs. This is twisted pair. How to connect the client, and the client identifies by the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway, and DNS1, DNS2. DNS means the domain name system. IP means Internet Protocol. This is the transmission media fiber optics. Identify the connect to the routers and switches and media connectors. Configuration of the routers. In layered model, the ATM physical layer consists of physical media dependent sublayer specified bit stream parameters of different media. Transmission coverage. TC means transmissions. Sublayers transfer the PMD. PMD means physical media dependent bit stream into ATM cells and presents to the ATM layers. How many layers? The ISO, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transmission layer, application layer, presentation layer. These are the 7 layers of the layers. These are the ATM transmissions. Already yesterday is completed the ISC in which were circuits. Is not completed the circuits. Packet switching. Okay, this. One minute. Want to check the PPTs. Switching technologies back to already complete. Okay, currently I will explain the broadband ISDNs. Broadband and identify the BSNL connectivity. 155 Mbps digital virtual circuit for fixed size data packets. Enough rate for hot transfer application like digital transmission high definition. HD TV means high definition television. Okay, next to ATM based technology, packet switching and high speed transmission media up to the customer device, basically fiber optics. High speed transmission media, high connectivity fix here, and we can long distance we can fix with the fiber optic cables and twisted pairs cables. New switching principles differing from multi-stage and time division switches, joint extension of PSTN in ISDN and VSDN. And switching technology, there are 3 types. The first is circuit switching, packet switching, cell switching. Switching technology has been developed for end-to-end routing of the data flow. So the following switching technologies are available today. For example, the switches and circuit switch packet to cell. Circuit switch means which is based on the division of the transmission capacity into fixed time slots called as channels or circuits. Different channels or circuits. channels are allocated end-to-end between users. Packet switching channels are allocated to the end between users. Packet switching variable length data units from 40 to 4,000 octets are stored and forwarded in each network node. This is the packet switching. And cell switching means where small fixed length data units called just ATM53 octets are stored and forwarded. Can explain the briefly in the circuit switching and packet switching and cell switching. Circuit switching we already discussed. Circuit switching has been first approach to routing communication channels between routing communication channels with two types of the circuit switching under DHCP and static mode. DHCP means dynamic host control protocol. It will automatically generate IP addresses, and static mode is individually we can assign the IP address in the internet protocols. Organizing user requests the connection establishment, which is user signaling. If the channels is available, there will be establishment between communicating for the complete duration of the connection. Remains establishment will be communicating complete the duration of the connection remains occupied until either communicating the signals a disconnect requires. We can enable and disabling options providing. We can assign the IP address. We can speed limit control the circuit switching. Circuit switching has been used in the classical ports, plain old telephone service. Ports means plain old telephone services and ISDN networks. Since the channel resource is occupied during the connection, even if there is no traffic between the circuit switching, with the dedicated resources is considered more expensive than routing. This is the circuit switching. Next, packet switching. Burst data traffic does not make efficient use of circuit switching transmission. In 1960, there was developed a new data communication approach called packet switching. In packet switching, variable length data units from 40 to 4,000 octets are stored and forwarded in each network nodes. Is observed the point in it packet switching variable length data units from 40 to 4,000 octets. We can use a fiber cable and switching and twisted pair cable networks are stored in the forward in each network node. Each packet contains additional information in the packet's header part for routing errors, connection, flow control. Routing error connection means we can providing the IP address and receiving the not receiving the gateway and DNS. This is the packets. Network address. Each packet is transferred. Destination independently. First and should we can identify the source to destination. We can identify the device server to switch to client system. The most check the connections. In packet switching, network resources are used only when there is real information that is transferred. The packet switching networks in establishment 1960 developed. Next, cell switching. The switching technology called cell switching uses small fixed length data units called cells, ATM53 octets, that are stored and forwarded in the cell switching points. Synchronized transfer mode ATM is an example of a cell switched system. Its cell size is 53 bytes, header 5 plus data 48 octets. The ATM is compromised between the synchronized circuit switched, the packet switched systems, both in delays. Resource use the complexity. Cell switching is a preferred technology for the broadband ISDN because of the flexible data transfer rates. The three various of the switching points. First is circuit switching, and packet switching, and cell switching. Next point, basic ISDN virtual circuit switching technology. PSTN means replaced by BISDN virtual circuit. Two categories virtual circuits: permanent virtual circuit and switched virtual circuits. Permanent virtual circuit means guaranteed access and rate between several services access point. SAP. SAP means service access point of the subscribers. And switched virtual cycles non-guaranteed. Switched virtual cycle non-guaranteed. Guarantee not access to the rate. They are guaranteed after the request and last only during the service period. ఎంతైతే సర్వీస్ ఉందో మొత్తం నాట్ గ్యారెంటీడ్ ద సర్వీస్ స్విచ్డ్ virtual circuits. Next, ISDN virtual circuit switching two types ఉన్నాయి, permanent virtual circuits, switched virtual circuits. Next point, switching the virtual circuit does not mean communication like the classical circuit switching, but in the fact routing. First point is carefully virtual circuit switching or repeat routers. Virtual circuit switches are routers. We can identify the router. We can open the login, and default login is admin. Next, we can identify the WAN, LAN, wireless. WAN means wide area network, LAN means local area network, and wireless security. Virtual path. VP means virtual path is a collection of the records in the router tables. We can identify the router tables. Virtual path. Path is must ensure we can create it. Next, like IP routing, the control information resides in the packet's header part. IP routing. IP means in the profile we can identify the IP address and classes A, B, C, D, E. For example, mostly we can use the IP address class C network. Class C subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This is the class C network. And class B network 255.255.255.0. Class A network is 255.0.0.0. This is the class A, B, C. Unlike IP routing, the header contains virtual circuit ID instead of source and destination records. Source to destination records. You can show the client IP address router. Next, based on ISDN virtual circuits, permanent circuit and switched VC. Next, permanent virtual circuit has been agreed period. Reserved record in the routing table describing the route of the circuit. Allocated weighted communication capacity, bandwidth, and inside switch buffer lines, not as monopoly, wasteful allocation of the lead lines by the circuit switching. Circuit switching, most important is the record of the router table describing the route of the circuit. And virtual circuit have been 1 and 2 dynamically for the period of communication. There exists setup delay for specifying recording routing tables and possibly for waiting free resources or relocating buffers in the beginning of each communication process. Is the traffic change? Is the period of change? Permanent VC period of change, switching VC traffic change. Traffic kind of change. Okay. Picture cycles. Switching technology. The broadband ISDN and narrowband ISDN performance. Architecture, ISDN services already completed. Architecture and performance. Basic ISDN configuration, low bandwidth. Basic ISDN configuration, low bandwidth, NT1 network terminating device by the user place. Passive bus connections between and new technology 1 and user devices up to 8 devices per connection. Per connection, 8 devices considered. The extend ISDN connections and passive bus connection between NT1 and user devices up to 8 devices per connection. ITU T standard differences point of T. Sister pair between NT1 and carrier of up to few kilometers. ITU T standards difference points. Extended ISDN configuration high bandwidth. And NT1 and NT2 small ISDN switches. PBX. PBX means private branch exchanges and technology by user offices. Passive connections between NT2 and user ISDN devices. ITU T standards reference point of S. Optional terminal adapter and TA supporting interfaces to one or more non-ISDN terminals. References point of R. This is NSDN architecture and NSDN performances. ITU-T International Telecommunication Union of Telecommunication Standard allows. ITU means International Telecommunication Union. T means telecommunication. Standard allows basic bit pipe. Basic bit pipe. Primary bit pipe is combination up to 1.92 Mbps plus 16 minus 64 kbps per second. Signaling to fit in the ITU T1 PCM carrier of 2.0 48 Mbps per second. Absolutely standard recording audio and video communications because of the low transfer rates. Absolute standard recording audio and video communications because of the low transfer rate. Data applications in applicable by open system interconnection means OSI means open system interconnections, but still good for non-interactive or non-real-time applications. Internet, remote access, data access. This is the data applications. Open system interconnections. Now, 7 layers is first layer is physical layer, and data link layer. Third one is network layer. Fourth one is section layer. Fifth one transmission layer. Sixth one application layer. Sixth layer presentation layer. Seventh layer application layer. This is the open system interconnections. It already explains the. This is the ISDN services. It already explained the this. Okay. the this is the most of the ISDN services, integrated services, digital networks, communication technology, under the pack all existing on services. Digital IS, voice services and caller ID and messaging, presence calls, redirected calls, multicast calls, waiting calls in call functions. This is the digital air voice services, caller ID and messaging, presence calls, redirected calls, multicast calls, waiting calls in call functions. Multimedia quality exchanges and enhanced digital services, computer interconnections, and enhanced digital services, computer interconnections, and entertainment services, and TV, television, and video on demand. This is the ISDN services. ISDN is integrated service with digital networks. Next, approximately completed. Question for okay, you will not explain the previous slide. Infrared means it can modulate nano correct infrared lights. Infrared means a line of sight or reflections and blocked by walls, and example TV remotes and control IRD busters. And wireless propagation means wireless is generally as usual, and mobiles and laptops, any gadgets, we can use the wireless connection. Signal travel along sea routes and ground waves and flow counter of the earth up to 2 megahertz and AM radios. Skywaves and amateur radio, BBC World Services, Voice of America, signal reflected from the ionosphere layer of upper atmosphere, actually referred line of sight above 30 megahertz may be further than optical line of the sight due to the performance more ladders. And wireless propagations and ground wave propagations and transmit antenna and receive the antenna. We can show the diagram. Signal propagations and ground wave propagation below 2 megahertz and sky wave propagations in ionospheres and transmit antenna and signal propagations and receive antenna earth. Sky wave propagation 2 to 30 megahertz and line of sight propagations, transmit antenna and earth receive antenna. This diagram line of sight propagations. Next, reflection. Velocity of electromagnetic wave is function of density of material 3 into 10 power 8 megas per second. When accumulating anything else, as wave moves from one medium to another, its speed of changes. As wave moves from one medium to another, its speed of changes caused by bending directions of wave boundary towards more dense medium. Index of refraction, refractive index is sin angle of incidency, sin angle of refraction. Various with wavelength may cause sudden change of direction. Transmissions between media may cause gradual varying if medium density is varying. Density at atmosphere degrees with height results in bending towards earth of radio waves. These are reflections. The optical and radio horizons And we will please observe the diagram and antenna, optical horizons and radio horizons. That is must ensure connection the any devices, line of sight transmissions, free spaces of loss and signal disappearing with the distance greater for lowers frequencies and longer wavelengths and atmospheric absorption, water vapor and oxygen absorb radio signals, water greatest and 22 gigahertz plus below 15 gigahertz and oxygen greater at 16 gigahertz and less below 30 gigahertz. Rain and fog scatter radio waves and multipath better to get line of sight of possible. Signal can be reflected causing multiple copies to be received. Maybe no direct signal at all may reinforce or cancel direct signals and reflection may result in partial to total loss of signal at receiver. This is the line of sight transmission and please observe the multi-path interfaces diagram. First point, microwave A and microwave line of light. Second, B is a mobile radio. For signals, number of connectivity, the signals. And this is antenna and this is the office network and this is the road network, this is the home network. This is a multi-path interfaces. Okay. Line of sight transmissions and reflections, line of sight propagations and sky wave and ground wave propagation, wireless propagations. We already broadcast radios on omnidirection 360 angle antenna. We can provide it FM radio, UHF and VHF televisions and line of sight suffers from multipath interfaces reflections. This is the satellite broadcast links. And satellites, we can connect with the multiple receivers, transmitters, and broadcast link and the multiple receivers. Observe the satellite broadcast links. And point to link. Satellite point to link. The satellite or microwave satellite is a relay station. Satellite receives on one frequency, amplifies and repeats signals and transmit on another frequencies. Requires geostationary orbit height 34,784 kilometers televisions, long distance telephones, private business networks. Satellite microwaves is already explained. Television microwaves, antennas. The parabolic in antenna gains and terminal microwaves. So parabolic dish and focused beam, line of sight, long telecommunications, higher frequencies give higher data rates. The transmitter microwaves. Next, antenna gains measurements of directionally of antennas, power of output in particular directions compared with that produced by isotropic antennas measured in decibels results on loss of in power in another direction. Effective area relates to size of shape related to gain. ఇది కూడా ఇది parabolic diagram. Radiation patterns, power radiated in the all directions, not same performance in all directions. Isotropic antenna, theoretical point in space. Antenna 3 times under transmission of reception. Some antenna after use the 4 ports. We already diagnosed the second you know, physical layer, all topics. The sheets, twisted pair transmissions. Guided transmission media, digital factors, physical layer topics. Twisted pair application is the most common medium telephone network and between house and local exchange subscriber loops. Must ensure subscriber loops. For local area networks, 100 MB, local area network, 100 MB to 100,000 MB. Twisted pairs, ports or points. These second topics. Next class will be continue the third layer. Data link layer. Next class will continue. Thank you, students. Next